Hello friend, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm taking you on a 4-day trip to Kuala Lumpur, the capital city of Malaysia. This is my third time here. I love Malaysia for so many reasons, from its ethnical and cultural diversity to a good variety of food options, from its modern skyrise buildings to the heritage and religious sites. Hope you enjoyed this video.
On our track today, so we will off-road slightly further towards our destination. For more flight promotions and exciting download AirAsia's web for anything there. On behalf of AirAsia X, I want to say thank you for flying AirAsia and hope you have a pleasant day in Kuala Lumpur. Thank you.
Good morning from Kuala Lumpur. So I just landed, and during my last hour on the flight, I was able to capture the sunrise, that golden hue moment, which was stunning. I can't even think of a better way to start my day. Just so lucky. Came here right after our flight. Breezy here. Looking better? Very nice. Hi. So how do you feel today? Where are we?
We're on our way down to Genting Premium Outlet in a cable car.
Yeah, this is a cable car.
And I think I'm gonna like it.
Ooh, hello. Yep. Yeah, okay. Checking in the Grand Hyatt. This hotel is in the middle of everything. Of course, we're doing this room tour. First, we start with the coffee table. It's right in the entrance area, and then we have the bedroom here. Oh, with a nice mirror. The couch, the desk, and of course, the Twin Towers. Oh, I like the lightings in the room. It's so pretty. And here is the sink and a tiny little table for doing some makeup. And the toilet. And the bathtub here. And of course, a walk-in closet. That's it. It's 6:40 a.m. and we are headed to the Batu Caves, which is one of the most popular Hindu shrines outside of India and a must-visit attraction in Malaysia. But there are 272 steps to climb to reach the top, which would be a lot of work.
Okay. Sounds interesting. It's good. Alcohol dish, that kind of whiskey. Yeah, whiskey flavor.
Day 4, going back to Shanghai. No makeup.
So we're going to get our breakfast and KLCC for a little shopping. And our flight kind of late afternoon, so
6 p.m.
yeah, nothing to rush.
I'm not that hungry actually. I ate so much last night.
Yeah, last night we had seafood, the crab.
Yeah.
In a Chinese restaurant, which was really good.
Did you film it?
No.
Oh.
No, you know what?
goody.
Yesterday afternoon we did a crazy city walk and I sweat like. So this lady just said she's not that hungry and look at what she just got herself. Oh my gosh.
I'm pushing myself for food fighting.